take a look at the British pound, which all of this discussion of hard Brexit is a perfect fit for a period where the British pound should have been correcting. And you can see in there that there's an old cycle, and that's that ghosted cycle we have in there, and a shifted cycle. So the ghosted cycle right there made the shifted cycle made its low right over here, and then the ghosted cycle is really where it's moving out to over here. So this is kind of long accommodating what has to get back in line with what we had here. So here's the ghosted cycle low right over there, the long cycle with the shift, and now getting back to it right there. So that's why we leave those in, because when you get some anomalous things like that big decline that happened, well, last March based on COVID-19, well, we want to really make sure we understand where we are in the rhythms, and this is really where the bottom is due and then turning up. We think that the British pound, once they stop with this nonsense about not honoring the deal with the EU, or that they want to change it in some way, that we're going to start to see the British pound move up very sharply. And I'm projecting a back up to that area of 135 in the British pound. Yes, between now and this period in November, where I think the dollar is going to be breaking. So you can see how there's an inverse correlation there, and the British pound should be thought of, in my opinion, in a bullish way. So here you could see the short-term patterns, and I put a note in here some time ago that this cycle aligns with the weekly low in September. What happened was that, well, the weekly low came and started to move up in September, and here's where it shows up here and now starting to move up. Problem is, momentum is still negative that you see right in there, and the projection oscillator getting overbought. See what happens? It got overbought right over here in a negative momentum condition, and whack. Here you could see where it gets oversold right in here in a positive condition, and then moves sharply to the upside. So these tell you about the potential impulses coming in the markets, and it's just some of the best information you'll get. So right now, this is still negative, this is overbought, and it says that this isn't quite ready yet for any kind of a big upside move. This has to repair itself, begin to heal, go through one of these processes right over here that you see, where it begins to heal itself and you get that upward turn in momentum. Did the same thing similar right over here, where it was really choppy in here, and then once it started to spread the moving averages in earnest, you really get these upward impulses. So we're just in this bottoming process, as you can see right there. Looking here at I still have the colored phasing. I have a few charts that I still have colored phasing in, so you can understand them. You can see that really points to an upturn coming in the British pound, and good upside opportunity in our opinion.